Say happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. And thank you so much for giving me sanity since this 2022. And yeah, I'm gonna miss you. On our way to Felicia's, bibili po tayo ng birthday cake kasi birthday ng ating isang kaibigan. So, dira ang Diversion Road, pakato diri ang Ayala, Atria. They are open from 10 AM to 8:30 PM. Ano yung bestseller?
Mga Sans Rival, mga Sans Delicious Chocolate.
Delicious chocolate. Yun yung delicious chocolate.
Ang may rolls.
Amo ilang ang bestseller. Kabangbang, aminin ko lang yung budget natin. So we are here at Bread Basket. Yan, sa may seda. Tingnan natin kung kasya sa budget natin yung cake ng Bread Basket. Ito lang gamay na cake na. Ari. Ano ni siya? Dulce de leche? Ano man?
Moist chocolate cake.
Ay, moist. Ini yan, ano ni?
Ultimate chocolate na. Bali dark chocolate ito na.
Ang cheesecake yan.
Type.
Hindi ako na bestseller. Thank you. Blue. Dapat i-pink ko to siya. Siyempre, you know, favorite color kong pink. But since it's your birthday, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. And thank you so much for giving me sanity since this 2022. And yeah, I'm gonna miss you. Ooh. Look at up there. Saka lang to sa babaw. Pero, siyempre, we will be going to Diversion 21 because then naghihintay yung birthday boy natin. They also have here an event room for birthdays. Unfortunately, wala kami kabalo. May event room. Dili sila sa babaw. So, we will be staying at Diversion 21. So, ito yung second floor. There. Okay, let's gonna go na. They are currently here sa annex. Pero, tayo, mangita kita sang parking space. So, there are two KTVs. Last time we are here, this is facing the car park. And now, meron daw dun sa front along Barrio Inasal. Ay, may Maridels. Bigali-gani. Oh, nagiri na lang ta nagbakal sang cake. Let's see. How much are the cakes of Maridels? Zoom in. Zoom out. Okay. Hindi ko makita how much. But we also have wonderful cakes here. Ang ilang ice cream cake. Sang Maridels. Only at Maridels. But then, hindi naman tayo nakaka-enjoy ng ice cream. Kaya, bawal muna tayo dyan. Baka maubo-ubo tayo. So, di nang ilang KTV. Barrio Nasal. This is Barrio Nasal. And, we are 5th. Rin yung KTV 8. Fast and Speed Resto. Ano? Ano to? Sorry ka na naman, din. Hi! Happy birthday! Remy, wala akong ginastok. Sorry ka na naman, din. Ha? Sorry ka naman, din. Happy birthday! Ari ka na naman, de? Ari ka na naman. Oh, I'm gonna miss you. Kabalo ka mo, trivia. First time ko kaging kanta sa karaoke bar. Wow, karaoke bar? Sa Quantum man na ang exclusion. Wow! Hey! You can dance! You can dance! Come on, back! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Hi, Super. Happy birthday. And I wish you good health and success in your career and God's answered prayers for all your dreams in life. Happy birthday.
Gani mo, nabi ko man gani, lawlawin. Yay! We're done! And thank you so much, Ma'am Beth, for joining me in this vlog. Bye-bye! See you again next time!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimding. Rubeinspired!